So you're interested in creating vertical videos. Today I'm breaking down my top 5 editing tips for vertical creators, and we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos. If you're a current subscriber, welcome. It is super fantastic to see you again. And if it's your first time here and you want to learn more about making better online videos, like the rest of them, then go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. As a video creator myself, I'm excited the vertical video format is here, as it presents new opportunities and some challenges for creators to capitalize on the new format. While I've been editing video for 15 years, the new vertical format is unique and underserved online for said resources. So I've outlined my top 5 editing tips for vertical video creators to help you dominate the vertical video space. Before we get into the editing side of vertical video, and this is tip number 1, it's imperative to plan to shoot in the vertical video format rather than trying to repurpose horizontal widescreen video for vertical video platforms. If you do find yourself shooting widescreen for vertical, you can certainly do a few things to make it fill the screen, but it will always be best to shoot in vertical when editing in vertical. Next is choosing the right program to edit your vertical videos. If you're already familiar with desktop editing applications such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, then you'll be accustomed to creating custom sequences to match the footage. In this case, you'll want to create a sequence at 1080 by 1920, in other words, the 9:16 aspect ratio, instead of usually the 1920 by 1080, which is of course the 16:9 ratio. The best vertical video editor out there for mobile video creators, well, actually you have a few options. There's an app called Carve for iOS, then we've got InShot and Adobe Premiere Rush for both iOS and Android. I'll include links to these apps in the show notes below. It's important to note that the vertical video fills the screen and gives you more real estate in social feeds versus horizontal videos. So use this to your advantage. There will be ample room to compose interesting shots and insert graphic elements wherever you see fit. There is no real rule of thumb to follow yet, since it's literally the wild, wild west out there in regards to vertical video. Anything goes for the moment. Another tip is to add movement to your vertical video clips. This can be achieved by inserting a digital zoom or a pan to a rather static looking shot. I personally like to have all my shots moving, whether I shoot it moving or add movement in video editing. I believe it keeps a viewer engaged longer when shots are moving, transitioning, and following the action. If you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. And if you want to watch more videos just like this one, then hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.